Hello again and welcome back to the channel. My latest video on how to trade meme coins on Binance Smart Chain went absolutely viral, so I guess a lot of people are moving from trading on Solana to BNB. One of my subscribers asked if there is a Telegram bot for trading and sniping BNB meme coins, and in this video I will review the one that I use, and that is the Sigma bot. Sigma works with a multitude of networks including Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Avalanche, Base, Unichain, Berachain, Solana and Plasma. The bot performs lightning fast trades, can snipe early coins before anyone else, and allows you to trade crypto right from your Telegram app. Telegram bots automate your trades so you can execute buy and sell orders with just a few taps without leaving your app. One of the biggest selling points of trading bots is the speed. In crypto, especially with meme coins, every second counts, and with a bot you can place trades instantly without waiting for transaction calculations on an exchange or having to deal with multiple apps. For traders who want to act quick, bots are a game changer. You can set up Sigma to automatically buy or sell tokens when they hit a certain price or when certain market conditions are met. Sigma is super easy to use, and after connecting your wallet you will have access to a simple interface where you can browse tokens, check live charts and place trades. Buying coins or selling coins, it's all done from the convenience of your Telegram app. To get started, you launch the bot on Telegram. Simply use my Sigma invitation link in the description below, and once you are in, a quick tap on start will get you going. Once you are registered through your Telegram, you are ready to trade anytime with a brand new wallet. If you navigate to settings and then wallets, you will see your existing wallets. I have two Binance Smart Chain wallets already configured, but if you are new, simply click on create and a new wallet will be added. You can also import an existing wallet, rearrange your wallets, retrieve your private keys, remove a wallet or transfer tokens to the bot. Before we can start buying and selling, we need to fund our wallet. For this tutorial, I will choose wallet number 1 on Binance Smart Chain. To see a list of all the supported chains, click Start and then Chains. If I were to select Solana for instance, and then check Chains again, you'd see Solana as the active blockchain. But for now, we switch back to BSC. I will trade with wallet number 1, which ends in A511, so I copy this address. Funding your wallet is straightforward and can be done via a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase, or from your MetaMask, Rabby or Phantom wallet. Let's fund our BSC wallet from Rabby. I have already copied the Sigma wallet address, so I can just click on Send in Rabby, paste the wallet address, select the amount of tokens to send, and initiate the transfer. Always double check your network so you don't send tokens to the wrong chain. The funds should now have arrived in my Sigma wallet, ready to use for trading. If you want to swap funds from one chain to another, you can use the bridge tool. Select the source chain you want to transfer from and then pick the chain to transfer to. Bridging allows you to transfer the same cryptocurrency between different networks without losing value. There are some transaction fees for bridging which are standard for any cross-network transfer, and it's important to remember that wallet addresses remain consistent across all chains. So my wallet address on the Binance Smart Chain is the same on multiple chains. Let's go back to settings and set up the gas fee buttons. To change the values, click on the amount and enter the numbers. When done, we can adjust the buy buttons depending on your trading strategy and whether you prefer small or large purchases. For example, if I have a small position, I can modify one of these buttons and the value will change. If you want to auto-buy a token, click on auto-buy, pick the blockchain and enter the token contact address that you want to buy. You can view your positions or pending orders by clicking on these buttons. Now that our wallet is funded and the gas fees are set, we can start trading. There are two options for buying: manual buyer, which is like buying on Axiom or Padre but much faster, and there is also auto sniper, which is a powerful feature for sniping tokens at their launch. AutoSniper is most used when a project deploys its contact address and publicizes it, giving you an early opportunity to get in. Let me buy a Memecoin for this demo. I already found a token on Axiom, so let me copy the token address by clicking here. When the bot asks for the contact address, we paste it, click send, and the token is instantly bought and sent to your Sigma wallet. It's as easy as sending an email. The total transaction fees for buys and sells in Sigma are 0.5% and there are no hidden fees. The preset buying options enable quick transactions and you can adjust them based on your preferences. To sell a token, click on Positions and you will see a list of your current holdings. Here are some presets: sell initial wallets, sell 10%, 50%, 100% or X amount of percent of your token. You will also see your other wallets and you can activate any of them by clicking the green button. For this tutorial we will stick with wallet number 1. There are presets for gas fees, typically ranging from low, medium to high gray values, which can be customized. You can change the default settings, modify the slippage, the gas fees, the buy tax and so on. The slippage allows you to set the maximum price change you're willing to accept for your trade. A low slippage means that your trade won't execute if the price fluctuates too much, while a higher slippage increases the chances of the trade going through. Setting your slippage to 100% is considered unlimited. If you want to receive a security confirmation when you are going to place a trade, check this button. And you can also change the language to Chinese, French or Spanish. The copy trading tool is used for tracking smart wallets, so when these wallets buy a token, your bot will do the same. You can also quick sell all the wallets, and the limit order option allows you to sell 10%, 50% of 100% of your tokens. For this demonstration, I will sell 100% of my bag. I click on 100% and there we have it. I sold all my tokens. There are more features that you can explore, so if you want to give it a try, use my link below to get started. Telegram bots are super handy because meme coins are highly volatile and when they take off, you need to react fast. Sigma makes it possible to buy coins at the right time and sell quickly if the price spikes, all while you're away from your computer. The bot sends real-time alerts to your Telegram chat about price changes, new token launches or important market activity, so you don't need to be constantly checking charts or refresh websites. Sigma keeps you in the loop and everything you need, price tracking, trade execution and portfolio management is right there in your Telegram chat. The bot doesn't store your private keys and connects to your wallet via a secure connection like Phantom or MetaMask, so your funds are kept safe. If you haven't tried Sigma yet, it's worth exploring, especially if you're into meme coins and want to place quick automated trades. Use my link in the description below to set up your account and you can start trading right away. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end, and if you found something in this video that helped you, please leave a like or even better subscribe to the channel and hit the small notification bell to get my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safely.